I used to never like birthday. I don't really know why. Maybe it's because I don't like to be the center of attention. Or maybe because I don't like to be around people whom I don't feel close to. Or maybe it's because of society habits that everybody's doing. I used to feel like a burden when my birthday comes. Even though I don't want to celebrate it, my family will insist it and I can't say no. Yeah, that was before my healing journey began. I know that I'm unlike the others. I have my own unique preference about life. I am an introvert when I'm not comfortable, but I also an extrovert when I'm with likewise frequency friend. Last year, I gave myself a 10 days Vipassana retreat as a birthday gift. Yeah, I think now I know why I don't like casual birthday party. On my birthday, I just want to be alone with myself. I put my phone on airplane mode. I think I just want to meet myself and feel everything. But who knows what will happen next year, right? Maybe I find a lover and a tribe of soul friends to celebrate a birthday party. Who knows? I have grown so much that I need to learn about myself. Birthday is the perfect time to reflect and examine everything. So I think today I wanna make a simple dish that my mom used to make for me. She called it nasi nyonya, but I twisted to make it more vibrant. I love crushing the ingredient with pestle and mortar. I felt a deep satisfaction rather than using a blender. I like spicy foods, and I think almost all food is comforting. I eat this fried rice a lot since young. It makes me grounded somehow. I wish you can smell this fragrant chili paste. Oh, so good. I think it's true when someone says that life begins at 40. Well, I'm 41 now, but yeah, my new path starts to begin last year. Life begins on the other side of fear. As human, we have been injected by fear since young. We lost our power, our authenticity, and our true self. When we start to heal our trauma, when we start to see from a bird's eye view, when we start to speak our truth, that is how we begin our new path. When we realize that our mistake was our own co-creation, we will start to heal. A deeper mental clarity is preceded by great internal storms. If we are not growing, then we are probably hurting. To begin again is to heal. We have so many layers of ego and pain. We have to look layer per layer and consciously release that blockage with love and acceptance. I am a different woman because of my past mistakes and lessons, and it was the best thing that ever happened to me. Rock bottom will teach you lessons that mountaintop never will. So, embrace your suffering and it will turn into wisdom. Every time I meet more of myself, I can know and love you better. This is the beauty of healing. I don't know how many times I will begin again, but it is surely a wonderful experience to up-level ourselves. I think every day is my birthday. I don't need the fancy things if I have me. I'm content with everything I have right now. Who I am is always changing, not because I'm fake, but because I'm always open to growth and transformation. I set up this little table with candle and the right flower. It is lovely, right? Happy birthday, girl. You're loved, you're enough, and you're a beautiful soul. Yes, I love to praise myself because I love me. My perfect lunch, my simple celebration. I feel so joyful. Her rebirth was stunning. She lifted herself up from the depth of despair, grasped her dream, embedded them in her heart, and walked forward into a future that only her will and vision could control.